Hey DIYers, homeowners, and job site warriors. If you love tools that save time, boost precision, and make you feel like a total pro, this video is for you. Today, I'm sharing 15 insanely useful tools that'll transform your workflow. Whether you're fixing up your home, tackling a job site, or just geeking out over smart gadgets. Let's dive in. Meet the Fantica 10 Pro, your ultimate measuring sidekick. This 2-in-1 digital laser tape measure combines a 165-foot laser with a 9.8 feet physical tape, giving you unmatched versatility. Its HD IPS color display makes readings crystal clear, and with 6 selectable units, you can measure distance, area, or volume in seconds. Rechargeable, compact, and built for precision. Whether you're a DIYer, contractor, or home improver, this tool makes every measurement smarter and faster. Say goodbye to guesswork.
Level up your precision with the Hupar Digital Angle Gauge. This 3-in-1 tool combines a digital level, angle finder, and laser level in one compact device. It measures 0 to 90 degrees and 0 to 180 degrees with plus or minus 0.1 degrees accuracy, perfect for woodworking, framing, or DIY. The magnetic base sticks to metal surfaces, and the LED display flips automatically for easy reading. Rechargeable via USB-C and built tough for job site use, this is the angle tool pros trust for flawless results. The Preciso 5-in-1 stud finder is your wall's truth teller. It detects wood, metal, and live AC wires, plus measures distance, area, and volume using ultrasound. With laser level marking and auto calibration, it's perfect for mounting TVs, cabinets, or shelves. The LCD display and audible alerts guide you to hidden objects with precision. Whether you're renovating or decorating, this tool keeps you safe and accurate. No more guesswork behind the drywall. The Fantica K2 Ultra is a compact powerhouse built for smart DIY. With 30 Nm torque and 1250 RPM, it drills through wood, metal, and plastic with ease. Its tap switch gear change lets you shift modes with a single touch, while dual screens show torque, speed, and direction in real time. The 3/8" keyless chuck and 2.5 ampere-hour rechargeable battery make it perfect for home projects. Sleek, intuitive, and 30% shorter than traditional drills, it's precision redefined. The CC21 volt cordless electric ratchet wrench is built for speed and power. With 66 feet-pound of torque and 200 RPM, it tackles bolts and nuts with ease. The brushless motor runs cooler and lasts longer, while the variable speed trigger gives you total control. Two 2.0 ampere-hour batteries keep you working non-stop, and the built-in LED lights up tight, dark spaces. Whether you're in the garage or on the job site, this wrench is a game changer. Cut with confidence using the iCrimp adjustable PVC pipe cutter. This heavy-duty ratchet tool slices through PVC, PEX, and PPR pipes up to 2.5 inches with ease. Its aluminum body is built to last, and the one-hand operation makes plumbing and DIY jobs faster and safer. Whether you're working on irrigation, home repairs, or custom builds, this cutter delivers clean, precise cuts every time. It's the kind of tool that turns effort into efficiency. Precision meets intelligence with the Gronier digital torque screwdriver. With a torque range of 2.6, 6 to 53.1 inch-pounds, 0.3 to 6 Nm, and plus or minus 2% accuracy, it's perfect for electronics, bikes, and machinery. The LED display shows real-time torque, while the buzzer and light alerts prevent over-tightening. Switch between units, store up to 500 presets, and enjoy rapid bit changes with its magnetic head. This 27-in-1 set is a must-have for pros and DIY ears who demand control and confidence. Never lose your essentials again with the TileMate by Life 360. This compact Bluetooth tracker attaches to keys, bags, or gear and helps you find them fast with a loud ring and 350 feet range. Lost your phone? Double press tile to make it ring, even on silent. It's water resistant, works with iOS and Android, and even sends SOS alerts via Life 360. With up to 3 years of battery life, it's peace of mind in your pocket. Struggling with distractions or cravings? The Kitchen Safe Time Lock Safe is your secret weapon for self-control. Just set the timer from 1 minute to 10 days and lock away phones, snacks, or anything tempting. No overrides, no cheating. Once it's locked, it stays locked. Scientifically backed to boost willpower and build better habits, this sleek container helps you stay focused, eat healthier, and stick to your goals. It's not just a box, it's your commitment coach. Transform your space with the Kipo Pegboard Combination Kit. This modular wall organizer is perfect for crafts, tools, nursery storage, or gaming setups. With a 22 inches by 22 inch panel and customizable accessories, hooks, shelves, bins, you can create your own layout. It installs easily with adhesive or nails and holds up to 20 pounds. Stylish, sturdy, and endlessly flexible, it's the ultimate solution for decluttering and displaying with flair. Organize smarter, live better. Organize with style using the Nelco P21 Bluetooth label maker. This compact wireless printer connects to your phone and prints crisp, ink-free labels in seconds. With 90+ fonts, 450+ templates, and support for QR codes and barcodes, it's perfect for home, office, or school. The rechargeable battery and BPA-free thermal tape make it eco-friendly and portable. Whether you're labeling cables, jars, or notebooks, Nelco makes it fun, fast, and totally customizable. Stay protected and connected with the Ultra Max safety helmet. This ANSEZ 89.1 certified hard hat features a built-in visor, noise-canceling Bluetooth earmuffs, and a vented design for all-day comfort. Whether you're on a construction site or tackling forestry work, it shields your head, eyes, and ears from impact and debris. With Bluetooth 5.3, take calls or stream music hands-free. It's not just safety gear, it's smart protection for serious professionals. Meet the CC 2-in-1 electric grease gun, a commercial-grade powerhouse built for serious maintenance. With 12,000 psi and 5.3 ounces per minute flow rate, it crushes heavy-duty greasing tasks. Switch between straight and pistol grip modes, reach tight spots with a 39.4 hose, and work in low light with its built-in LED. Two 2.0 Ah batteries keep you going, and the shoulder strap eases long sessions. Farmers, mechanics, and equipment operators, this tool saves time, energy, and your joints. The Little Giant Revolution ladder is the ultimate multi-position workhorse. With ratchet leg levelers, it adjusts to uneven terrain in seconds. No wobble, no stress. Built from aerospace-grade aluminum, it supports up to 300 pounds and transforms into an A-frame, extension, staircase, or scaffold. The quad lock hinge and rock locks make setup fast and secure, while tip and amp. Glide wheels offer easy transport. Whether you're a contractor or DIYer, this ladder adapts to every job. Light up any adventure with the Saker portable camping light. With up to 3,200 lumens and a 73.2-inch adjustable stand, it's perfect for garages, campsites, or emergencies. Choose from 4 lighting modes and 3 brightness levels: warm, cool, SOS, and spotlight. The 9,000 mAh rechargeable battery lasts up to 20 hours, and the magnetic base adds versatility. Waterproof, collapsible, and USB chargeable, this light is built for power outages, outdoor work, and wherever brightness meets portability. Conquer heights safely with the Quick Safety Tsunami Combo. This 50 feet premium braided lifeline includes a rope grab, snap hook, and shock absorber, ANC and OSHA compliant for serious fall protection. Built with durable polyamide and steel hardware, it's ideal for roofing, tower work, and inspections. The kit also features a full-body harness and tool lanyard for total security. Whether you're a roofer, engineer, or inspector, this system is your trusted guardian at elevation. Protect your hands without sacrificing comfort with Handlandy work gloves. Designed for both men and women, these utility mechanic gloves feature breathable spandex backs and padded synthetic leather palms for flexibility and shock absorption. Touchscreen fingertips let you use your phone without removing them, and the secure grip keeps tools firmly in hand. Ideal for yard work, construction, and DIY tasks, they're lightweight, durable, and built to keep you cool, safe, and productive all day long. Crank up your workday with the DeWalt wearable Bluetooth speaker. This ultralight, clip-on powerhouse delivers pro-grade sound and hands-free calls in a rugged, water-resistant design. With a 4 times stronger clip, built-in mic, and 10-hour battery life, it's perfect for job site hustle or weekend projects. Now, with a freestanding base for added versatility, it's more than a speaker, it's your portable audio companion that works as hard as you do.